Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I got a box here, just opened this up. This is a Lithium mini chainsaw. Very cool. Fall is upon us, so we have trees and bushes and all that other stuff. And here it is. I got this package from my friends over at Banggood. It's a handheld chainsaw. A toolkit here with a Phillips screwdriver, chain sharpener, and a wrench, socket wrench. This is like a guard. I might have to use the instructions this time. Look at that little chain. Here's the battery. Looks like just one. We have a Euro power cable adapter charger with a European plug. Ooh. And an American adapter. I don't think that'll work. Boy. We'll see. And the chain bar. Looks like I've got some assembly to do. So there you go, lickety split. It was very easy to install, as you saw from time lapse. Slip the bar over. There was a little area there. I wanted to read the instructions to make sure I got it in the right hole. And then once I did take a gander at the guide, it showed the hole was on the bottom, which attaches to a tightener. This little screw right over here is a tightener. Basically, if you turn it clockwise with this Phillips screwdriver, it tightens the chain. Now it's very tight, you know. The guard, which just sits there like that, it's not spring-loaded or anything, so honestly, I think this gets in the way. So I might remove this later on, but it does have a guard so that you don't put your hand there and slice off your finger, you know. Two nuts over here to tighten the cover onto it, and then I just slip the battery in here. Now, you see how that flops around like that? It's not spring-loaded. If you wanted it to be spring-loaded, if it was spring-loaded, it would be there, and it wouldn't go back unless you forced it, you know? But this just flops around like that, which I don't like. That's no good. So the battery does not have a power level indicator, so you don't know how much battery is left in here. I thought I was getting 2 batteries, but I only have 1. There's a hole right over here in each battery compartment where you would stick the charger individually and plug it in. And I don't know if this is going to work because my adapter is broken. See? So that may not work. So here we go. So it says 288 volts. Could it be 288 volts? Lithium ion? I doubt it. But it seems to have quite a lot of power. Let's try it on something. So I've got this weeping willow-like bush. Let's just trim this real quick. Wow, that was easy. stuff there. Wow, very easy. Really easy. In my back fence here, I've got these weeds that turned into trees. These things sticking up right there. I can't stand them. This is significant, actually. Easy peasy. Stuff that in there. Very convenient. Although you see this guard is completely useless. Just gets in the way. Look, doesn't do anything but get in the way. I'm gonna take it off. That's bad. So this is a VIOLEWORKS. 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 Sent to me from Banggood. 288 volts, lithium ion. I thought I was getting 2 batteries, but I only got 1. Thought I was going to get a US plug, but I got a European plug with a broken adapter. I'm going to try and see if this charges, but I don't think it'll work this way. And this might cause an electrical failure. But as you saw, this saw does a great job. It makes trimming bushes and cutting wood a lot easier because it's handheld. It's pretty lightweight considering it's a handheld saw, you know what I mean? Instead of having to grab your gas chainsaw and start it and prime it and mix the fuel and all that stuff and worry about it working or not. Face it, guys, we're all going electric eventually. Everybody's making good electric tools. And this seems to have plenty of punch. Even though I don't know if the battery was charged fully or not, it seems fine to me. Very constant, reliable power. Powerful. This is a waste of money and plastic and materials because it doesn't work. If you had a spring return to it, it might work better, but it doesn't. It just flops around and does nothing but get in the way. Actually, this could cause an accident because you're all concentrating on this thing hanging there, right? You're not paying attention, you'll cut your finger off, you know? So get rid of this thing. This thing's dumb. Other than that, it could use a light, right? There's no LED light at all, so you can't see what you're doing, right? Most power tools have a little LED light that shines on whatever you're doing, which makes it easy. But other than that, man, I like the tool itself. And look, we just chopped that thing, and the chain is very tight. No tightening required. This is good to go for my next project, you know? Wind blows, tree branches come down. Instead of fumbling along with your chainsaws and stuff, just grab this, open it up, cut things you need, throw them away. Lickety split, very quick. I like it a lot. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested in getting your own. Once again, this item is a VIOLEWORKS mini chainsaw, and it's sent to me by Banggood. Thanks a lot for sending it to me. I'm gonna use this. It works well. I like it a lot. I just don't like this. I wish it had an LED light. I wish your battery, you gave me 2. You didn't. You gave me 1. In the ad, it said 2. Also, I wish the battery had a battery strength indicator on the battery so you know how much power you have left in the battery before you have to change it, you know? That's something that's very useful. And also, if you had a dedicated US plug, that'd be great too. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me today on today's mini chainsaw review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Whoa.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, fire right up! Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.